Nessa? Am I wrong to think you're trying to destroy us?
I think he's suffering, but he's trying harder than she is.
What is this?
They're both suffering. When you go through something, you're both in pain. When he's wanting to try and get through it, and he's trying so hard, and she's just further gone.
Plus, you would have to try and fail to be a failed writer, and you're nothing. You're a drunk.
She doesn't have his strength or his clarity, and then he starts to lose his. So they're both broken, but I think he has, there's a nobility to him, how he is as a husband.